Hey everyone, Jonni here at another beautiful open house in the Fletcher Hills district of El Cajon. A beautiful 6-bedroom, 5-bath, almost 4,000 square feet, completely remodeled with, get this, 3 fireplaces and a beautiful swimming pool. You've got to check this out between 12 and 4 p.m. today and tomorrow. Give us a call at 619-928-2898. We'll see you there.